guys, my name is Jen and this is my daughter Ava.
Hi.
Welcome to my channel, Embracing Chaos. If you're new here, welcome, and if you are a returning friend, welcome back. We are so happy to have every single one of you here. Today we are here to share with you day 11. It's already 11, halfway there guys, day 11 of VLOGMAS. We are having a lot of fun with this, guys, and I hope you are too. Real quick before we get started, guys, if you wouldn't mind giving this video a thumbs up, we would truly appreciate it. It really helps to communicate to YouTube that you guys are enjoying our content and encourages them to promote our videos so that we can continue to grow our YouTube family, guys. We are working really hard to get to 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year, and we are that close. So that being said, guys, if you are not a member of our YouTube family, if you would please click on that picture of me down in the corner or hit the red box down below this video that says subscribe. It would really help us out. All right, so for Vlogmas, we are sharing the kitten's meowing. If you can hear him in the background, I apologize. I have a feeling he's going to be coming over to join us here in just a second. He just woke up from his nap. But anyways, what I was saying, we are sharing advent calendars, and then after the advent calendars, I am going to be sharing my top 25 WW favorites, one for each day. I will make sure that I put a, hi Milo, do you want to come and say hi?
Say hello.
Say hi. This is Ava's kitten, Milo.
Hello,
Hi,
Mom.
baby. You gonna help? You're gonna be helpful, I can tell.
Yeah.
Anyways, what was I saying? Oh, I will put a timestamp down in the bottom, so if you only want to watch advent calendars, that's fine. If you want to watch the WW content, just click on the timestamps down in the description and it will take you directly to that portion of the video. All right, that being said, let's go ahead and get started on our advent calendars. Ava and Milo, which one are you going to open first?
11.
Day 11 for the 12 Days of Beauty from Big Lots. All right, what do we have?
Milo, you gonna show him? Ready? We tried.
What is it?
It is a lip gloss.
Lip gloss, a unicorn lip gloss.
Yep, and it's purple, and I do not know what.
Shimmer lip gloss. How cute. Oh, it's grape.
Ooh, that's
Did you just put your nose in it?
No. Milo, did you put your nose in it?
That does smell good though, doesn't it?
Yeah. My
All
cat's
right.
like, Mom.
Now, let's go ahead and see what we got for day 11 of our K-Cup Advent Calendar. Here's what this calendar looks like. And let's see if it's finally the hot chocolate Ava's
Mom,
been looking
12.
for.
That's 12. Good.
I was trying to tell him. I think this might be. It's Donut Shop. It's Donut Shop Duo's White Chocolate and Vanilla Artificially Flavored Coffee. So no, it's not. White Chocolate and Vanilla, a duo. I love Donut Shop. I've never had this flavor either. We're getting a lot of new flavors in this calendar, guys. I am really impressed. All right.
First, let me find it.
Trader Joe's 12 Days of Beauty. What do we have?
I don't know. Woo! Ow.
Oh, nice.
Mine.
What is it?
Grapefruit ultra moisturizing hand cream.
Grapefruit Ultra Moisturizing Hand Cream. Very
Perfect.
cool. Let's see if it has a safety seal. Nope. Ooh, get that off the top. Those metal tubes, sometimes as soon as you take the cap off, it starts coming out. So, ooh, that is a nice, I can smell the grapefruit, but it's more than just grapefruit. Like, it doesn't have that bitter grapefruit smell. Ooh, that smells really good. Really good. All right. And then our last advent calendar, guys. We've got the glossy box. Let's go ahead and find day 11. Do you remember where we saw that one, Ava? I think it was the top one, wasn't it? This is kind of a big box. It's not real heavy, though, so it's hard saying. There's day 11. Okay. Oh, cool. You've got a dry brush. I actually got one of these in another subscription box, so I will
Give it to me.
probably. But that's what these look like. You guys will have to look them up. They've got a lot of health benefits. They kind of, you use them, this smaller one you use for your face, but they do make some for your entire body. And it's just to help get your blood flowing, getting all the fluids circulating like you need to be. And they actually have a lot of health benefits. You'd really be surprised. Look it up and let me know what you think. All right. Ava, you ready to get started on the advent calendars? And apparently Milo's going to help today too.
He won't stop whining if I put him down.
I know. He wants his mama, huh?
Oh, gotta show you.
You want me to open that for you? Oh, you want to see? Look at this. We've got one more day to open and it's all tore up. Let me open that for you since your hands are full. Hey, just what you were looking for. Even though they're probably way too small for you. You got some little press-on nails for little girls. Those are cute. We know some little girls. We can give this to Abby or something.
I want to give
love
it
that.
to Carolyn.
Carolyn, you think they fit her fingers?
Anyways,
We're going to give it to her cousin because these are extremely cute.
do you think they will fit this?
But they won't fit her big hands.
Will fit my
All right.
nose?
Let's find day number 12 of our Keurig calendar. Oh, Ava, finally 12 days and she gets her hot chocolate. What we have here, guys, is the Swiss Miss Milk Chocolate Hot Chocolate K-Cup. All for you.
I love hot chocolate.
All right, let's do our last day of beauty from Trader Joe's.
I think mine was upset I put it. Oh, you already opened it. I'm sorry.
What is she doing? I have no idea.
Got it. Woohoo! Okay.
All right, what do we have, Ava?
Vitamin C serum.
Vitamin C serum. Awesome. Can I take a
And
look?
Cat's back.
And the cat's back. Just let him go. Don't pick him up, please. All right, Trader Joe's. Really, that's all it says is vitamin C serum. However, oh, I thought it was a spray nozzle, but it's not. It's just a pump. Very cool. I love vitamin C, especially in the summertime. So not disappointed to have that. Thank you for sharing. So anyways, guys, let's find day number 12 in our glossy box advent calendar. Ooh, I don't think we've had a box this size. All right, there it is, day number 12. And it opens a long ways. Oh, awesome. I don't have this kind of brush yet.
Oh, you don't? I thought you did.
No, I sure don't. It's like a little kabuki brush. Oh, feel how soft that is. Hold your hand up.
Ooh, it's not soft as mine.
All right, I've never had one of these. I am very excited to have this. This glossy box, guys, or this advent calendar, guys, has been so much fun. I am really enjoying it. All right, guys, there you have it. Day 12 of our advent calendars. Let me know what your favorite product was down in the comments. And now we are going to jump over to my WW favorite for the day. We're back. It's a good thing I sang that, or you guys would not have known that we were back, because we're always so quiet. You're welcome. What do you guys think of my favorite? Is that something that you guys enjoy as well? If not, let me know what you like to eat in place of it. We will let you go because I know this has been a longer video. Again, if you wouldn't mind doing the thumbs up and subscribe thing, we would truly appreciate it. And until next time, guys, happy holidays and keep smiling. Bye. Bye.